What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another exciting unboxing we have for you. It is iPhone 14 and 14 Pro launch day today. So here we are. I got one, of course. Now, these phones actually have a lot of new features and small tweaks compared to the 13 Pro of last year, but there were really two things that stood out to me with the 14 Pro specifically, and that kind of was the reason that I wanted one. First being, we finally, after 5 long years, got rid of the notch. It's finally gone. Instead, we now have this pill-shaped cutout at the top, and this is a lot nicer aesthetically. I'm a big fan of how this looks, especially compared to the notch. I merely tolerated that, but I actually kind of like this. And not only that, they've actually given it a name, the Dynamic Island, and the reason for that is there's a huge software component to this, and basically system alerts and other background activities are going to be housed in this area. This thing can actually change size and shape depending on what's being displayed, so they actually made a good use of that space, and I think that's actually one of their best ideas in years. But other than that, I am also excited for the camera improvements. I take a lot of photos with my phone, and so I'm always looking to be on the cutting edge of that. And so that's pretty much it. Yeah, here's the box. It is white this year instead of black. That's just a mildly interesting change, but other than that, it is pretty similar. Let's stop wasting time and let's go ahead and open this thing up. So Apple's gotten rid of their plastic packaging. This was with the 13 Pro as well, but they now just have these pull tabs on the back. Of course, they're trying to, save the world and all that, but pull tabs are pulled, so let's go ahead and set it down, and let's open the box. All right, so there she is. I went with the black this year. They, of course, got rid of the Sierra Blue and the Pacific Blue from the 12 Pro, so I went with the safe option, the Space Black. But now that I'm actually seeing it in person, I actually really like this. It's quite a bit darker than the, Space Gray and Graphite or whatever that they had before. So I'm a pretty big fan of this. I think I'll be okay. And also, I bought a blue Taurus case, very similar to the one that's on my phone right now for it. So I'm really not losing anything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull the phone out of its box. Here we are. Oh yeah, those sides are way darker than they were before. But yeah, there it is. We have a larger camera square on the back, of course, but that's a price I'm willing to pay for better camera quality. And then yeah, external dimensions and stuff are pretty much identical to the 13 Pro. I think there's some small differences, but, other than that, there it is. Let's go ahead and do the peel. There it is. So there is the phone. Of course, I'm not really going to go through the box too much because all you get is a USB-C to Lightning cable and an Apple sticker in the documentation, so that's really not interesting. What I am going to do, though, is I'm going to turn this phone on for you guys. So let's bring it around this way. Go and power it up. Maybe. There it goes. Now you actually might notice that this pill-shaped cutout is actually two. They're separated, but they've actually blacked out the space in between the software, and I think they're actually going to use that space for microphone, the little orange dot for your microphone and whatnot. So yeah, anyway, there it is. Yeah, that looks quite a bit better. Let's go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, there we have it. The new pill shape, and I will go ahead and pull out my old phone so we can just take a quick comparison. I'm sorry, I know a lot of people don't care about this, but I personally do. So there it is. I think this looks way better, so I'm pretty happy about that. And it's already prompted me to do the setup, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, aside from that, I'm going to go do the boring setting up stuff, which I know you guys really don't want to see, but there it is, guys. There is the iPhone 14 Pro. So thank you guys for watching the unboxing, and I will see you in the next one.